Well, Betsy, the state rested its case on day 2 of the Geauga's child trial today, but not until the jury heard from Gail Eastwood-Ritchey in the moments after investigators narrowed in on her in 2019. Ritchey is on trial now for murder and aggravated murder in the death of her newborn son back in 1993. Sarah Shookman has been watching the case unfold, and she joins us now. Sarah, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon to you, Jay. The state showed how this case, some 26 years later today, was actually solved. Prosecutors' fourth and final witness was the detective who in 2018 started to put the pieces together using updates in DNA technology to find the identity of that baby buried in 1993 as Geauga's child. Detective Donald Seaman testified DNA from the infant's tooth bud was able to be compared with public genealogy database GEDmatch. While there were no direct links right away, over a period of 8 months, detectives used public records to build a family tree of more than 1,400 people. By contacting select family members and requesting DNA samples, he said they turned that ocean into a pond, eventually leading to Gail Eastwood-Ritchey's parents. When DNA confirmed Gail and her now husband, Mark Ritchey, were the parents of Geauga's child. Jurors watched that initial interview from May 2019, where Eastwood-Ritchey said even Mark never knew about the baby.
Baby was born alive.
I don't remember. I don't recall it ever crying.
Okay. But it's not like it was stillborn or anything. I mean, the coroner's report shows that it actually was breathed.
Okay.
So your intention was, no matter what, you are going to keep this baby.
I didn't know what to do.
Defense attorneys argued in yesterday's opening statements the baby was in fact stillborn. On the tape, Ritchey admitted to placing the baby in a garbage bag, and then sometime later she left that bag in a wooded area near Koinonia Camp, where she was serving as a chaperone for a weekend church retreat. The baby was found just a few miles away in March of 1993. Now, Mark and Gail married the next year. They ultimately had 3 kids. In fact, 2 of their children, Jay, went on to work at Koinonia Camp, a place Ritchey said she continued to visit.
Bizarre indeed. Sarah, did she show emotion in that police interview? We saw just a small piece of it. What was going on in the other portions?
Yeah, Jay, she told investigators she really hadn't thought much about this until they contacted her parents in May 2019, about 2 weeks before that interview you saw. And despite all of the media coverage on this case then and in recent years, Ritchey said she didn't realize the baby had ever been found. But in 2019, the shame and embarrassment around this was enough to make her consider suicide. She is still expected to take the stand in this case, and the defense will start presenting its case tomorrow morning.
Fascinating. Sarah Shookman live from the newsroom tonight. Sarah, thank you.
Yep.